I am itching to do a graphic eyeliner look. I love graphic eyeliner on myself. If there's one thing that I wish more people understood about makeup, it's that you don't just need the right product. You need to know what the look actually requires and whether or not you even have time to do it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miss Megan. I've been doing makeup for 15 years. 13 of them I worked for MAC. So I've been taught everything under the sun, and I've been in insane pressure cooker situations when it comes to doing makeup. So I know a thing or two when it comes to struggling with makeup. In this video today, I'm going to do graphic liner eyes. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of the must-have things in your makeup routine. I feel I want another blonde brow moment. I believe so. Ooh, blonde brows with graphic liner. If you want to see me do graphic liner and learn a little bit more about one of the things you absolutely need in your makeup routine, please keep on watching. Yes, do I want to do a little blonde brow moment? I think so. I'm just going to use Nude 3 right now. And this is that bent fan brush by Delium Tools. I put blonde brows on my sister for Mayhem Ball. And she was like, this eats. She had never tried them before. So I just wanted to play today. I've been experimenting so much with like different makeup looks and just playing around with different like types of products and mixtures of products and, you know, trying out things like the Danessa spray that I haven't done like a Miss Megan core look, except for when I went to Mayhem Ball in a while, and I really miss it. So that's why I just wanted to play with a graphic liner today. But as I started to think about it, I was deciding on like, okay, like what level of graphic liner do I want to do right now? I'm like, okay, this is kind of like a 10-minute eye. I'm like, do I want a 5-minute eye, a 10-minute eye, a 20-minute eye? And this is where most people get tripped up, and you might be feeling tripped up too. I'm gonna put down 24-hour eye base. And I think I want to go in with the Timmery shade right away. No, I'm gonna do what was my makeup move over the summer was a high shine brow bone. So I'm gonna go in with the Melt Liquid eyeshadow in Night Swim, and I'm using a 209 brush from MAC. So like I was saying, this is where most people, and you might find yourself getting tripped up, is you sit down with this amazing idea or you're really inspired by something you saw online, whether it's a celebrity or a new product or someone else's makeup look. And then you're trying to squeeze a 45-minute concept into 10 minutes. I've never done chunky eyeliner like that where it kind of stops. That looks really cool. I say that now, and then when I go to actually attempt it on like the day, I'm like, I'm gonna do that. I generally don't end up liking it. The 209 is my favorite. This is a special edition one, but it is my favorite. And of course, like that wouldn't land, you know, trying to fit a 45-minute look into 10 minutes. But it's not necessarily because you can't do makeup or you don't have the right product or you don't have the right technique. For sure that those are factors in it, but it's because nobody taught you how to match your time to your technique. So the concept of time is one of my core 4 like most important makeup tools that you need in your makeup routine. Am I gonna attempt this while talking at the same time? That's crazy. It's one of the invisible decisions that you have to make before you even pick up a brush. Now, I much prefer do I like that? No. I much prefer brushstroke liquid liner to do all my graphic liner looks, just because the tip of it is superior. If the concept of time being a really important makeup tool has piqued your interest, you're going to want to join my free Skool community, because on September 25th, I'm going to be doing a makeup assembly, which are my free group calls, and I'm actually going to be walking you guys through the core 4 most important makeup tools that you need in order to be able to do your makeup confidently every single day. It's totally free to join the Skool platform, and it's free to attend the call as well. So make sure you hit the link in my description so that you don't miss out. Okay, I need to add a little bit of shape to the eye. I'm gonna take a little bit of Coquette and Omega. I'm gonna fill in this area here. And the cool thing is when you know how to use time. And you'll notice that I'm not like rushing anything, right? This isn't something that I would even attempt if I only had 10 minutes, but I would know how to alter it to get as close as possible. I'm gonna take this color from Timmery called Slay. TBH, I'm gonna use the Danessa spray to adhere it. So I'm just spraying some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna soak the brush with it and coat the area. And then I'm gonna dip into Slay because it's so pretty. Depends on what light it's in. Yeah. I love a good brow bone highlight. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then I'm gonna do a little bit of Max Stack Elevated and then obviously extended play on the bottom. And this eye deserves a lash. I love graphic liner so much. I just love intensity. Like I love when my eyes are dark or detailed or textured. 6, 7, 8. Like I feel so pretty. You might think she looks weird. No. While this dries, I'm just gonna prep my skin so that it's nice and ready for the next video. That's Fix Plus Magic Radiance and then Serumizer. I feel like as I say this, I have to do a lip, and in order for the lip to make sense, I have to do the skin. So guess what? We're gonna do skin. I'm taking a little bit of Serumizer Eye. I'm gonna use the Haus Labs foundation. And this is just a 128 brush. I know you're probably like, ooh, she's gonna do a revolutionary lip. No, I'm not. I'm probably just gonna use Stone. I wear 145 Light Cool in the Haus Labs foundation. I'm gonna prep my under eye area as well with a little bit of Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. And then this is the Haus Labs foundation in 13 Light Neutral. And then this is a MAC 170. Like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna do just a smidge more here. Let's just keep it going. I'm gonna take Haus Labs Glassy Hibiscus Blush. Right here. To make it a fun look, I'm gonna put the blush up here too. Okay, this is doable for a lip. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna take the Haus Labs translucent powder and just set the face. I'm gonna take a little bit of Lip Erase in Light Neutral. And then this is Stone, obviously. If you guys want to learn more about the 4 most super important things that you need for your makeup routine, make sure you hit the link in my description and join my free Skool community so that you do not miss out on my free makeup assembly call on September 25th. You know what we're gonna do? I've done this before. I'm gonna put Glassy Hibiscus here. It's such a beautiful color. And then I'm gonna take Frozen from MAC in the Lip Glass Air. See, I feel like myself. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the link in my description and join my free Skool community. I can't wait to see you at the free makeup assembly. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram so you do not miss any Miss Megan news. Don't be late for school, and I'll see you next time. Bye.